You know what it is. The Falling on a Budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. A modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the roads. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on.
Before I started working.
Check it out, guys. Taco.
Have you seen that video?
Taco time.
The kid or the dad like slapping the kid with the tortilla.
That's how we start the morning, guys.
Alright then, guys. We have a lot to do today, a lot of projects. So for me, I'm gonna be doing my CB. I'm gonna be moving it up to the top, moving the speaker down somewhere, hiding it. I got new chrome bezels for my gauges, new AC vents because they're all nasty and old. What else? I have a new cup holder that my brother got me. It's back there so far. And I have a nice speaker box. And so yeah, so let's get this thing started. I already started a little bit, so I already have the CB already kind of taken off. Oops. And let's keep going from there.
Nothing, trying to find ground.
And you got this bitch all taken apart.
Yeah, everything's already ran. It's just I need to find a wire for ground, which I just kind of found.
Oh.
So I'm just trying to connect it and try and see if it works.
Alright, little update. Well, big update kind of. Yeah, dash part. I had to take off this whole top piece, but pretty much CB's already in. So yeah, everything's put on. I just gotta put some bolts back, put this back and run the wires, and that should be it for at least a CB. Okay, change that, don't worry, the AC vent. Dash is back together. Completely back together. I put the speaker there for now in the meantime, but I'm gonna relocate it later. I have a chrome one, so I just put it for temporary. Everything's put back together at the top, and the CB looks good. Everything works good.
What's up, bitch?
Hi, brother.
What's up? You got it or what?
Yeah, I just put the speaker there for now for temporary, so yeah, so everything should be good. Now next is change the cup holder. Alright, got another little update. I took off the top cup holder. It's the old one, and this is gonna be the new one. It wasn't that difficult. There were just 4 bolts that were holding on right here, right there, and 2 more on this side, and 1 on this side. This one, this one, this one, and that one. That'll be all those 4 bolts. After that, it pretty much just slides out. These are connected for the lighter, just slide them out and it comes off, and that should be it. So now it's time to put back the new one and let's get this started. Alright, well, I haven't updated y'all that much again, but I put on all the caps, all the bezels, chrome bezels.
Stop lying, bitch.
I see I changed this one. I didn't get the right one, but I'll fix that probably later on. Well, it gets a little dirty, the dash, because I just put them on and that's it. Put the new AC vents across. And then I want to get that new panel new, but as of right now, that's it. And new AC vents, new chrome bezels. What else? And I mounted the CB up there. I've been wanting to do that for a while, but I finally did today. So now it cleared up this space. And now I got a huge mess to clean up, so I'll be doing that for a little bit. Oh yeah, I forgot to also mention about all that. I knew there was something else missing that I forgot to put the center. It's chrome, it's dusty. Like I said, I just did it really quick. And there you go. Like I said, it's dirty. Don't mind it. And yeah, so that's how it looks. Dash is slowly coming together more and more, so that's good. You want to go like slow motion?
You like to slow it down.
Oh.
There go them lights he mounted. Bam. Hey George, flip your switch. Huh? Flip the switch.
Which one?
The green one. Hey. Alright, you can shut them off. Cool. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the frame on the black W9. That's my brother Gabriel's truck. Looking good there. It needs a wash, but you know, either way. And my brother George's truck, he just unhooked it. He's gonna be cleaning up the frame. As you can tell, this frame is a little eaten up too. Yeah, here's this side. Used to have a little step here with the toolbox in, or how do I say it? So, yeah, the step with the toolbox. Yeah, whatever it's called. But either way, we removed that a long time ago, and yeah, go ahead and get this frame cleaned up and painted also. Hey brother, you want to comment on how much of a pain in the ass this is? Just give up on life.
I already did.
What were you saying?
I don't want people to know I'm kind of nugget.
Alright guys, go ahead and mix the Bondo. We already did the other side, bitch. So, I don't know if you guys know how to use Bondo or not, but if you do, cool. If not, then you run out of gas again. Check it out. Right. So depending on, this is the hardness, it will activate till they get hard. She said. So depending on how much you put, depends on how quick it's gonna dry. If you put too much, it might all harden up on you, and you won't finish. You won't get to finish putting the Bondo on. And if you don't put enough, it's gonna take forever to dry, or it won't dry like it's supposed to, and it's gonna be just sticky instead of hard, you know. So you just kind of gotta, depending on how much Bondo you put, depends on how much hardener you use. I honestly just kind of go for it. I don't really know exactly either. I just kind of guess, and then you make sure you mix it, and it goes from gray to like pink. Make sure you mix it really good, and yeah, and then it turns pink, as you can see. And the more hardener you use, the darker it gets. So that means the darker it gets, the faster you got to use it, because it'll dry up on you, and then you're gonna have a bunch of Bondo for nothing. Alright guys, I wanted to show you guys real quick. Got it patched up for the most part. It's just, like I said, spots that I think that needed it the most. Go ahead and sand it down and keep filling it till it's straight. But for the right now, those are the worst parts. So yeah, so now it's time to get down to sanding. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're gonna here to finish up my brother's frame. As you can tell, the reason it looks flat black is because it's wet. But for the most part, you can tell it's pretty straight, except the end. I completely missed that part for some weird reason. I don't know why, but I did. And it just needs a little bit more work around this area. And yeah, and other than that, the frame should be pretty straight, because I'm just working on this part you see. The rest of it, for now, we're just gonna go ahead and spray black, because that's a lot of work to be doing. And then given the fact that we also have to go to work tomorrow, so yeah. Here's the final product of my brother George's truck. Nice and black. Nice and black. Frame is nice and clean. There you go. Way better than what it was. Way, way better. Here to show you the other side. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Alright guys, and just like that we finished up the frame on our brother's W9. Nice and clean. Now we just gotta fix this big old mess here. We're gonna get a deck plate made for it with the lines coming out of it to here. So that's gonna be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think it came out really clean in my opinion. Let us know what you guys think. Let us know if y'all like it. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.